In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a clothing Shopify website. We'll go from a blank account to a polished fashion storefront ready to sell. Start by creating an account on Shopify, then log into your Shopify admin. Add your store name and basic business details right away. Keeping this accurate helps with receipts, taxes, and shipping labels later, and it also locks in your brand identity from the start. Next, choose a fashion-forward look. Go to Online Store, Themes, and pick a clean, modern theme that showcases visuals. Customize your colors to match your brand palette, and choose simple, readable fonts that complement your aesthetic. For the homepage banner, use lifestyle fashion images that show your products in context. This sets the tone and builds trust at first glance. Now add products. Head to Products, add product, and upload high-quality images, front, back, and a close-up to highlight texture or details. Write an SEO-friendly title that includes the product type and key attributes. In the description, cover fabric, fit, and style, and include care instructions or sizing details if helpful. Set your price, add variants like size and color, and turn on inventory tracking so your stock updates automatically. Organize like a real brand with collections. Create groups such as women's clothing, men's clothing, streetwear, dresses, tops, and a sale or clearance section. Collections power your menus and filters, making it effortless for shoppers to find what they want. Build your essential pages, a welcoming home, a shop page that leads to your collections, an about us with your brand story, contact for support, an FAQ for quick answers, and shipping and returns so policies are clear up front. Set up payments under Settings, Payments by enabling Shopify Payments and PayPal. This gives customers fast, secure checkout options. Configure shipping in Settings, Shipping and Delivery. Create local shipping rates. Add international options if you plan to ship abroad. And set a free shipping threshold, a proven way to increase average order value in fashion. Connect your brand with a custom web address. Go to Settings, Domains, to buy or connect a custom branded domain. Install a few helpful apps, a reviews app like Judge.me, email marketing with Klaviyo, and upsell or bundle apps to lift your order size. Optimize for sales with fashion keywords such as oversized hoodie or summer dress. Add SEO titles and meta descriptions to pages and products, and keep your branding consistent everywhere. Before launch, place a test order, check mobile responsiveness, and confirm checkout runs smoothly. When everything looks great, remove password protection and start marketing with TikTok or Instagram Reels, influencer collaborations, and email campaigns. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify